and once again welcome back. And if you're stopping by for the first time, welcome to my happy home. I am so happy that you could join us. In this video, I'm taking you along with me shopping, and if you want to see what I picked up, then you keep on watching till the end. Well, you guys, these are the items that I picked up, and I was so excited when I walked into those stores, you guys. They were so big and they had so many cute items, and I really had to restrain myself from buying everything that I saw. But anyway, before I make this video any longer, let me quickly show you what I picked up. Starting with these three small Christmas trees, you guys. Unfortunately I got only three of them, two of the darker ones and one of the lighter one, and I really wanted to have another one of the lighter one, but unfortunately they didn't have any. But I thought they were so cute. Now let me show you what I paid for these. The price tag originally was €2.50 and I got them for only €1 each. So I thought that was a great deal. And I also picked up these cute but simple napkin rings, wooden napkin rings, and I thought, yeah, for just 50 cents each, why not pick them up? I can use them in various tablescapes. Now moving on to this next item, you guys, this throw blanket. I thought it was so super cute. It is in this gray tone and it has like these fluffy, I don't know what they're called, tassels, but thingies anyway. And they had them in three colors and I picked up the gray one, of course, because that fits my decor better. And I can't wait to use this for the fall and the winter season. And I got it only for €5. Now I've been loving the rustic and farmhouse look lately, and I was looking for a wooden crate, especially for the fall season, and I came across this one. It says coffee here on the side of it, and it is a pretty decent size. And I picked it up. I don't know if you can see it, but anyways, I picked it up for only €3, you guys. And I'm not sure if I'm going to be using it inside or for my outdoor decor, but you will see that in another video. Now you guys, this next item, I think this is probably one of my favorite items that I have in this haul. As you can see, it has a price tag of €7.50, but I only paid €2 for it. And the brand of it is At Home with Marieke, and that's I think it's a typical Dutch brand. But as you can see, it is so gorgeous, you guys. It's like this typical Christmas plaid design and with the red and white, and I thought this was so cute. And the best part of it is that you can use it double-sided, because the other side has this very simple but yet so cute design on it with these simple stripes. And as you can see, the material, it is such a good material, you guys, and it has also these two wooden buttons, and I thought this was so cute. Unfortunately they only had one, but I was even happy to get this one. Now you guys, I've been seeing these letterboards going around on Instagram and on YouTube, and I really was on the hunt for one myself, but I didn't came across any that would fit my decor till I saw this one. And it is so super cute, you guys. The frame is in a grayish metal material, and I thought that was so cute. Now you know me, I like to switch out my decor often. So when I saw that they had this wooden leatherboard, I thought I would pick it up as well, so that I can change as I change my decor. And the first one, the gray one, I got for €2 because it didn't have the letters with it. And this one did, but I already unpacked it because I couldn't wait any longer. And I already used some letters, as you can see. But this one was with the letters €3.50. But the guy at the register, he decided to give me both of them for just €5. Now, I'm not sure if something like that even exists, but I was in wooden cutting board heaven, you guys. They had so many different sizes and styles, and I really had to make up my mind which one I wanted to pick up, and I decided to go with this one. It was only €3, but I really liked the shape of it. And as the tag says, it's made out of wood from the mango tree. It's from natural mango wood. And I thought for €3 I couldn't pass that up, and it would look so gorgeous in my kitchen. Now, if you know me, then you know that I love signs, and this is nothing really too special. But when I saw this picture frame, I really fell in love with the wooden frame, and I thought it would be perfect to create my own sign from it. And I picked it up for only €1. Now the next item immediately drew my attention because of the birch bark. I so totally love that. And I'm not sure what this is. I think it's a herb grinder. Leave me a comment down below if you know what this is. But anyway, I picked it up for only €1 and I thought it would go great as a decor piece in my kitchen. Now, how can I pass up a cute mug like this? The season to be jolly. Fa la 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 la. Oh my gosh, you guys, I am really getting into the Christmas spirit already. But anyway, I thought it was very cute for just €1.50. Now, you know I love me some greeneries, you guys. This one was priced originally for €2.50, but just like the Christmas trees, I got this one also for just €1. And I love the white on the green leaves. And what I really love about it is that the planter has like this gray cement look to it. Now, you know, I said I love me some signs, and I also said that this was a shopping haul, but these signs were actually thrifted. I got them all as a set of 3 for just €1. Now, I think that this is probably my favorite piece of this haul, you guys, and for just €5 I scored this beautiful cake stand, and as you can see, it is also by the same brand as the pillow cover At Home with Marieke. And if you've seen from the previous footage, they also had it in gray and in blue, but I thought this red buffalo check totally screamed Christmas, so I picked it up especially for this year's Christmas decor. Now, this next item, you guys, I was so happy to find this. And actually, this is a thrifted find. I thrifted this together with the 3 signs that I previously showed you. And anyway, this is a vintage kitchen scale, and I was really on the hunt for one of these, you guys, and I've seen several of them, but they were really pricey, and I just didn't want to spend that much, and this one was only €3.50, and it was by the brand, or it is by the brand vice versa, and I'm not sure if you can really see it, but it also said design by Luca Tazi or Trazi, I'm not sure. But anyway, I was so happy to come across this for only €3.50. The only thing was that it was missing its plates, and I had a set of 4 of these plates already, and I thought it would go perfect. So for now, I will be using this as its plate. So you guys, that's it for this video. I hope that you have enjoyed this. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and go ahead and leave me a comment down below letting me know what your favorite item is. And if you're new to this channel, I hope that you have enjoyed this as well, enough to hit that subscribe button and become a resident of my happy home. So for now, I want to thank you all so much for watching, and don't forget to live, laugh and love, you guys, and see you again in the next one. Bye.